just ripped this apart. Just push this in. I just pulled that controller off the wall that was up there. And the water's turned off. That's the steam generator, which is bust. And there's all the connections at the back, which I'm going to rip apart. This is where the water comes in. And there's the drainage pipe, and that's the problem there, because that drainage is rubbish. Let's get this connected. Disconnect. Ow. I've got this floor lifted. I am boiling. Let's flip this right. Right, just have to put all of this into bags. Burn and skip. Okay, so I've just glued part of the shower floor down. There it is. That's the top, the underside. I use this stuff. Yeah, sticks like shit. It does actually. After 5 days of bathroom remodeling, I have treated myself to a dip in the back garden. This is total bliss. I hope you liked the video. I'll try and do another one in 7 days when it's finished, I hope.